Level 3 alarm, which is audio verified. Is it possible you'd take the call?
If it's level 3 withdrawn.
Yes, well, we're not showing it as withdrawn. It's actually listed as 22842.
22842?
Yeah, we had a hell of a lot of noise and raised voices from there.
When you say, what is it, a sonic alarm?
It is, yeah. Definitely got
your ADT
Manchester. It's shown as the stockroom shutters that have been forced and there's still footsteps we can hear there.
Sonic alarm?
Yep. Yes.
Okay, we'll take it.
Alright.
1460.
1460. There is still somebody on site.
Okay.
Cheers, bye-bye.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Barker.
Yes.
Sorting Motor World. Well, it's a genuine alarm, sir. It's a confirmed break-in, even though it's on off-police response they are attending.
Is it a break-in?
Yeah, the stockroom shutters have gone, sir. There's at least 2 people in there.
Oh.
Making lots of noise.
Down there, I'll be about an hour.
Right, that's what I can hear now, sir.
Right, well, I'll be about half an hour.
Right.
In fact, I'll be quicker than that. I'll be as quick as I can.
All right, the police are on the way. Thanks, bye.
Hello, alarm.
It's you an audio verified alarm at Motor World.
Yep.
Just to advise your officers, it looks very much like whoever's in there has just escaped out of the rear of the building.
The rear of the front.
The rear fire door has now just opened. Sorry?
Who told you that?
Well, we've got it on audio verification, so we can follow them around. Yeah, so the rear fire exit door has now been opened. In fact, I think there is still somebody inside as well, listening to the noise. So...
Right, the rear fire door has been opened.
That's open at this moment. There is a key holder en route as well.
Have you got an ETA?
Okay, sorry, just give me about 15-20 minutes at the best.
Right, okay.
All right, love. Cheers. Bye-bye. Hello, down the Motor World at Quick Save Retail. Is there any update at all you could give me on that one?
Well, we are all at scene at the moment.
Right.
We have chased the 2 males from the premises.
Yes.
Managed to raise the key holder.
There is, yes, he's well on his way.
Oh, was that before when you said 15 minutes?
That's correct, love, yeah.
Right,
Is that your helicopter we can hear overhead?
Sorry?
Is that your helicopter we can hear overhead?
Yes.
It is. All right, that's great.
Where are you calling me?
Chester.
Oh, you can hear the helicopter.
We've got the microphones fitted in there, yeah.
Yeah, the helicopter is up with police and one's in the nearby area.
That's great, thanks a lot. If there is any arrests at all, would you be so kind as to give us a call back?
Yeah, we will.
Thanks a lot, love.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello there.
Hello.
Hello there, that's the key holder.
It's Alan Barker. You rang myself on my mobile earlier, about 20 minutes ago?
Yep, that's correct. So there's much damage down there?
No, it looks like so far they haven't even stolen anything.
Right.
Because, I mean, I've got some mobile phones in the back, in a box.
Yeah.
They haven't even been moved and that.
Oh, they had a good 5 minutes or so in there. They were pretty talkative as well.
Yeah, the back door was forced, the fire door. That's been secured. The police have been on the premises. They came in with me and checked it all out.
Okay, have they actually arrested anybody yet, sir?
They've caught 3.
They've caught 3?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I'm not sure what's happening with the youth themselves.
Right.
Details from me.
Yeah.
And we got these 3 youths, but as we can't see any evidence of anything being stolen yet.
Well, we can guarantee that they were in the premises and they were very talkative. We've obviously got all of that on tape if the police need that.